moving abroad is not, you don't start the move once you're there. You don't even start the move like once you're in the airport, once you're packed and ready to go. It starts like long before that, mentally. It starts with like the conversations that you're having a year before when you know, like, okay, we have residency, or like 6 months before, okay, we're leaving. It starts in all the decisions. I've spoken previously about like just going to the store is different because usually I'd be like, okay, I want this would be cool for the kitchen, this would be cool, whatever. But now it's like, I don't need that. I'm not even gonna live in that house. So no, thank you. I'm not buying that. Or like forcing myself to be on like a super strict budget because I'm like, if I'm on this budget, then I won't buy any foolery that I really don't need. And I feel like too, with that mindset, it just comes with like starting to let go. And I don't mean let go in like a sad way. It is very sad and it is very happy all at the same time. Like I'm emotional, period. Um, but it also means like letting go and to create space for this next new chapter.